Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be the start of a new series on my channel, and I think I'm gonna call it Try It Before You Buy It. So I'm basically going to be trying products out, giving you guys my full opinion on them and showing you how they are in my hair before you guys go out and spend your coin on it. So today I'm actually going to be using a kids product because I do like kids products in my hair. Sometimes they can have surprising results for your curls, and this is a company I cherish and love. It is the Eden Bodywork Kids COCO SHEA Berry Curl Cream. So if you guys cannot tell, my hair is soaking wet, and I just took down my hair from a protective style, and I'm going to be doing a wash and go. So I'm going to use this as my styler, and I'm going to use their all natural hair milk as my leave-in. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, my hair is finally sectioned off, so I'm just going to go ahead and spray it because I like my hair to be soaking wet when I do wash and goes. That's how I get the best results. I haven't done a wash and go in so long, so this will be interesting. Haven't done wash and goes all winter time. And I do have oil and conditioner in here just to moisturize my hair a little bit more. So now for the leave-in, the peppermint tea tree hair milk. I tried this product out on my teen hair care routine. Talk about your crown. It's pointing at the sun while you want to lay it down. Oh, you turn heads every time you walk around. Find two knots I love when you take them down. You spend about an hour just so you can detain. Girl, I see the struggle. Got your and now I'm gonna go back in with the Eden Curlberry Cream. So let's see what this is about. It smells like, it kind of smells like berries, but not really at the same time. I don't know. Maybe because I kind of smell the peppermint. Here's what the consistency is like. It kind of reminds me of the Eden coconut hair thing. Oh, what it's called. I'm gonna need a little bit more. Make sure I get that on my ends and closer to the top. And now I'm just gonna kind of shingle my girls just to make sure that they are all saturated with the product. I don't know if I'm gonna shingle every piece because shingling takes a lot of time. You could drop the hook again after that. Just make sure. Without the dubs. Black African queen, baby you the stand-up, baby you the answer. Won't you be my black African queen, baby you the stand-up, baby you the answer. You should be my black African queen, baby you the stand-up, baby you the answer. Won't you be my black African queen, baby you the answer. So you can see I'm still wetting my hair. I just really like my hair to be damp. Well, soaked pretty much. That's how I get great wash and go results. Alright guys, so I just finished putting everything in my hair. First thought, it definitely helps to reduce frizz. I can see that, like right when I put it on my hair, I can see that it helps to reduce frizz. So I'm excited to see how it's going to dry. And I'm just gonna scrunch some castor oil into my hair because it's cold outside. So yeah, let me just scrunch. And as you guys can see, the front of my hair is a completely different hair texture. It's really wavy instead of curly. So I do a lot of scrunching in the front to help encourage the waves to come. And my mom's hair is the exact same way in the front. It's not really spiral, it's more like wavy, as you guys can see. So didn't want you guys to think I have like heat damage or anything, because I don't. This is just my hair. So I'm excited to see how it's gonna dry, and I'll come back I'll come back when it is 100% dry to show you guys the results. So I'm back about 4 or 5 hours later, and this is the final result. Overall, I think that it is a great moisturizing product, but as far as my wash and go, if you are somebody who loves super defined wash and goes, this may not be the product for you. It gives me more of like a fluffy kind of look. That's what I'm getting for this. But I am going to try it out with a twist out or a braid out, something like that, because it is great for moisturizing. But as far as a wash and go, if you're a fan of super defined wash and goes, this may not be the product for you. But I do like my hair. It probably just won't last for a long time because it'll frizz up in about 1 or 2 days. Hope you guys enjoyed this first. Try it before you buy it, and hope you stay tuned for more. Bye guys.